So this is what I used on this window air conditioner, a 110 12,000 BTU. This is from Home Depot, coil cleaner. Works great. All that crap you saw me vacuum off here got foamed out. I'm going to treat it again because the top section here was packed, just impacted with dirt. So if I do this right, the velocity is really high and it shoves the foam way in there, and then it expands outward. And I let it sit for probably 2 weeks. But this thing hasn't been serviced since 2002 when it was installed, so I need to give it every bit of cleaning I can. Now you can see some of it's getting real dirty. See here how filthy that is? It's already pushing dirt out. So you just leave it be, and you can let it dry like I did and vacuum it off, or you're supposed to rinse it, but I'm not going to rinse this machine. I don't want to get it all dirty. Anyway, it's working real good. Let's check the back here. It's awfully clean, ironically. But you know what? There's some crap down here at the bottom, so let me get that. That'll help this thing run better. Okay. I've already done the back, and the back wasn't very dirty to start with, so. Alright, that's it for now. See you, bye.